Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a first impressions get ready with me. I am cozy in my matching sweatsuit. It says naughty and nice. I am feeling in the holiday spirit, but I do have the day off, so I wanted to do a full beat with you guys, and then literally right after I film this, I'm going to take it off and go to the gym and watch Christmas movies for the rest of the day. But I thought it would be fun to get ready together. I haven't done one of these in such a long time. I feel like it's been literally months since I've done one of these. So I decided to do one with you guys. So I'm gonna start off with some skincare. I'm going to use the Algenist Elevate Advanced Lift Contouring Cream. I actually have not used this, so I'm going to use it right now. I could use all like the firming and lifting. I'm all about anti-aging, so I'm going to use this. I want to put this on my neck, but I already had makeup on earlier and I brought bronzer down my neck, so I'm not going to put it on top of that. I want to know in the comments down below, how far along are you guys on your Christmas shopping? Because now I feel like I'm like 60% done. So I'm feeling pretty good, but I only get paid 2 more times before Christmas, which is pretty crazy. I get paid bi-weekly, so when you get paid bi-weekly, it kind of sucks in a way and is good in a way. All right, I'm also gonna be using my Lancome Energy DV. This is illuminating and anti-aging cooling eye gel. So I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes. It has like little balls on it that are really refreshing. So I'm just going to use this to kind of depuff and wake me up a little bit more, even though it's really dark and I just want to bundle on the couch. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using today for the majority of my face and eyes. So I'm going to be using Deck of Scarlet, and basically it's an all-in-one little set. So if you open it up on this side, you do get 3 eyeshadows, you get a blush, and then you get like a bronzer highlighter right there. These colors are really, really pretty. And then on this side, you get 2 lip products. So there's like a orangey nude color, and then there's more of like a burgundy color. So I'm gonna be playing with this today. I really like the packaging of this as well. This is in collaboration with Christina X Makeup. That's their artist-in-chief for this season. So it is a seasonal palette. And then also in this set, you get glitter. So this is the Deck of Scarlet Sparkler Glitter, and it's gold and really pretty. So we are going to do my eyes first and then work on the rest of my face. I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can do this. I'm also going to be using these really pretty brushes. These are from Luxie. I got them in my Boxycharm, and they're really pretty and gold and sparkly. So I'm going to be using these today. But let's get into the palette. So I'm actually going to use that blush, which is called Moonstone, and I'm going to start putting that in my crease. I just put concealer on my eyes, and I've been doing a thing where I don't set it. I feel like a lot of people have been doing that lately, so I'm not going to set my eyes. I'm just going to go right into Moonstone and start working this in my crease. I'm also sorry if you can hear landscaping outside, because it's very loud and annoying, and there's nothing I can do about it unless I literally wanted to yell at them to stop. But I don't think they'd listen to me, so there's that. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and just work that in a little bit more, just because that brush was a little too precise for my liking. So I'm just gonna be a little bit more messy with this, but I'm going to get this all in my crease and blend it out. Holy poop, that's pigmented.
What in the actual hell are they doing?
Next, I'm going to take Onyx, which is that black, and just deepen up the outer V a little bit, and not go too heavy-handed with this black because it looks very pigmented, but I'm just going to start working this lightly. Oh god, it's very, very pigmented. A light hand with this one. I'm just gonna work this in the outer V and deepen things up a bit. Okay, I am going to cut the crease. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and just cut the crease so we can put some gold glitter on top. So I'm just going to do this quickly. Okay, now we're gonna take Tan Lines, which is that really pretty golden color, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take this gold glitter liner and I'm going to put that on top of that gold shade just to add some more sparkle. Okay, are you guys ready for this? I'm going to take that lime green yellow color. It's called Limoncello right there, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. So I never would usually do this, but I think that would be really fun to do, so. Ooh, and that's so pigmented. Okay, I really like that. What I'm going to do is clean up the outer half of my eye. I'm gonna put some mascara, some lashes on, and then I'm gonna finish up with the lower lash line and the rest of my face. All right, so I just put some lashes and liner on. Now I'm going to start with my face, and I'm gonna go in with the Rodan & Fields Radiant Defense. It has SPF 30 in it. I've used this a couple of times. Basically, it's supposed to be your last step of your skincare routine. It gives you a tiny bit of a tint, so you can wear this on its own, or you can wear makeup on top of it. But it's supposed to like blur all of your imperfections. So I'm gonna use this kind of like as a primer today, and I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers. I think this is good if you just wanna like run out the door and do some errands, but you don't wanna do makeup, because it really smooths out your skin. And they have like 6 different shades, so they don't have like a great range, but at the same time it kind of blends in. It's not really supposed to be like a foundation or anything. So I'm just using this first as my primer. Okay, and now for foundation today, I'm actually gonna go in with the Born This Way. I know this is a concealer, but I'm gonna use it as a foundation because it is a multi-use product, so I'm just gonna use it as a foundation. This is in the shade Natural Beige, which is too dark for me for a concealer. So if we use it as a foundation, it might work. It actually might be still too dark for me for a foundation, but that's okay. It's definitely a tiny bit dark, but I did bring my bronzer earlier down my neck, so I think it's gonna be a pretty good match. I haven't self-tanned in such a long time. I actually ran out of my Loving Tan, which is my favorite self-tanner. I put it on my Christmas list this year, but it's so good, and they sell it at Ulta now. Okay, now that we're looking a tad bit orange, let's get some concealer and kind of brighten up my face a little bit. So I'm going back in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And again, I'm just blending that in with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, next I am going to go in with the Kasia blush. I love these blushes, they're like sponges. So this one's in the shade number 1 Koi. It's a little heart shape, so I stamp it in here and then I just press it on my skin. This one's a very light one, so you can barely see that, but it's like more of a natural blush. And I'm just gonna blend that in with a stippling brush. All of my brushes are like from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna stipple this in. I am going to go over that blush a little bit with the Moonstone, which is in the Deck of Scarlet palette. I'm just gonna lightly tap into it because I know this is very pigmented, and just put this on the apples of my cheeks and bring it back. Yeah, I already put too much. Let's blend this. Now there's a really pretty highlighter in here. It's like a bronzy highlighter. I don't know if this is gonna be too dark for me, but let me do a little swatch of it. We'll see if it's gonna be too dark. I mean, maybe I can get away with it. So I'm gonna take it lightly and just dust it on the high points of my cheekbones and hope that it's not too dark. It's kind of like a bronzy, blushy highlight. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Limoncello, and I'm going to just define that a little bit more in the inner part of my eyes. So I'm gonna make this really stand out. I actually really like this eye look. I might do it tomorrow for work. Okay, I just did my brows and then I also put a little bit of bronzer on, but now I'm going to do my lips. So I'm gonna go in with MAC's lip liner in Strip Down. And this is like a cool toned brown. It's really pretty. Actually, you're running low. Okay, and then there are 2 lip colors in the deck of Scarlet. So there's Koi and Metal Rose. I think I'm gonna go in with Koi, just because that to me is a little bit more wearable. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a warm toned nudie sheen. Okay, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link Deck of Scarlet down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But I really like this makeup and I'm definitely going to do this tomorrow as well and take a few pictures in it because I do really, really like it. This is so different for me. I would never do like a pop of like a lime green yellow in the inner corner, but I do really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!